Hello and welcome to the Complete React Developer course where you're going to learn how to build and launch your very own React applications. I'm Andrew Mead, a longtime Udemy instructor with over 170,000 students, and I'm back again with a completely reshot edition of my popular React course. Built from the ground up around the latest tools and library versions, this class was designed with a single goal in mind, which is to turn you into a professional React developer capable of building, testing, and deploying real-world production React apps. Now, there's a lot packed into the course, so let's take a look at what's inside. This course is entirely project-based, so you'll be building out every single application, as well as completing over 90 programming challenges I've designed to test and reinforce what you've learned. The first app we'll be building is an app called Indecision. This is our starter app, and building this one is going to allow us to explore the fundamentals of React. You'll see exactly what it takes to get a React app up and running. The next app we'll be building, an expense manager called Expensify, has all of the bells and whistles you'd expect from a production application. You'll learn how to set up user accounts, authentication, a real-time database, and more. We'll also be deploying the application live to the web, so you'll see exactly what it takes to create and launch a React app from the first line of code to the final deployment. We'll start from the very fundamentals of React and move on to the most advanced topics, like React hooks, the context API, and all of the great new React features. Aside from exploring the fundamentals of React, you'll also be diving into all of the tools and libraries that professional React developers use when they're building out their applications. This includes React, Redux, React Router, Webpack, Firebase, Jest, Enzyme, and more. Now, that's a lot of stuff, so what happens if you need help? There's nothing worse than spending hours working through a class only to get stuck up on something small. You ask for help in the Q&A and you don't get a response. That's not how things work here. I work on my Udemy classes full-time, and I'm in the course Q&A every single day, and I answer every single question that comes my way. So as you're moving through the class, maybe you need clarification on a topic, or you're getting stuck up with a code example, I offer fast and friendly support to all students. It's one of the reasons that people love taking my classes. Now is the time to learn React. Companies like Facebook, Walmart, Netflix, Airbnb, Uber, and many more are all using React in production today. They're also making heavy investments into the React ecosystem, and we're seeing new jobs and opportunities pop up all the time. Whether you're trying to launch your own application, freelance as a React developer, or switch careers, now is the time. The Complete React Developer course is your one-stop shop to learning and mastering React. I can't wait to see you inside the class.